Why does your scanner show the P0401 engine code? What does it mean? P0401 is a diagnostic trouble code for EGR flow insufficient detected. Means that the engine control module has detected that the EGR system isn't allowing enough exhaust gases to recirculate back into the intake manifold, typically due to a clogged EGR valve or issues with the related vacuum hoses and sensors. Under this circumstance, distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Clogged EGR valve. Faulty EGR control solenoid. Damaged vacuum hoses. EGR temperature sensor issues. Restricted EGR passages. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error can occur with any car, but is most often found on the following cars: Ford, Mazda, Jeep, Nissan, BMW, Honda, and more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.